Today, we're talking about the first job experience and daily workplace tasks.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Starter Podcast. I'm Kate.
Hi, I'm Luke.
Today, we are going to talk about something many people remember very clearly, their first job experience.
Yes, your first job is usually very special. It can be exciting, a little stressful, and also a great learning experience.
Exactly. Many beginners also want to learn how to talk about their first job in English, especially when they meet new coworkers or during interviews.
That's true. So today we will talk about our first job experiences and also discuss common daily workplace tasks.
Let me start by asking you a question. Do you remember your first job?
Yes, I remember it very well. My first job was at a small office. I worked as an assistant and I helped the team with simple tasks.
That sounds like a great way to start. What kind of tasks did you do every day?
Well, my daily tasks were quite simple. I answered phone calls, organized documents, and sometimes helped send emails.
Those are very common beginner tasks in many offices.
Yes, and at first I was a little nervous because everything was new.
I can understand that. My first job was also challenging at the beginning. I worked in a small company and my role was to help with customer service.
What did you usually do during your workday?
My day usually started around 9 a.m. When I arrived at the office, I first checked my email and looked at my task list.
That's a good habit. Checking emails is one of the first things many employees do in the morning.
Yes, and after checking my emails, I answered customer questions and sometimes helped solve small problems.
That sounds like an important responsibility for a first job.
It was. At first, I was nervous when speaking to customers, but after some time, I became more confident.
Confidence grows with experience. In my first job, I also had to learn how to communicate with coworkers.
Communication is very important in the workplace.
Yes, every morning our team had a short meeting to discuss the tasks for the day.
Team meetings help everyone understand their responsibilities.
Exactly. During the meeting, our manager would explain the goals for the day.
Did you also take notes during the meeting?
Yes, I always carried a notebook so I could write down important information.
That's a great habit for beginners in any job.
Thank you. After the meeting, I usually started organizing documents and preparing reports.
Preparing reports sounds like a useful skill.
Yes, and sometimes I also helped schedule appointments for my manager.
That's interesting. In my job, I often had to update customer information in the computer system.
So you worked with data as well.
Yes, and accuracy was very important because even small mistakes could cause problems.
That's true. Attention to detail is an important workplace skill.
Absolutely. Another part of my job was answering phone calls.
That can be challenging for beginners.
Yes, especially when customers speak quickly.
How did you handle that situation?
If I didn't understand something, I politely asked the person to repeat the information.
That's a very professional way to handle it.
Thank you. Over time, I became better at listening and responding quickly.
I had a similar experience. At the beginning, I felt nervous when sending professional emails.
Emails are an important part of workplace communication.
Yes, I had to learn how to write clear and polite messages.
For example, starting an email with "Dear" and ending with "Best regards."
Exactly. Simple things like that make communication more professional.
Let's talk about a typical workday. What did you usually do after lunch?
After lunch, I often continued working on my tasks. Sometimes I updated spreadsheets or organized digital files.
Those tasks are common in many offices.
Yes, and sometimes my manager gave me new responsibilities.
Did you enjoy learning new tasks?
Of course, even though it was challenging, it helped me develop new skills.
Learning new skills is one of the best parts of your first job.
I agree. I also learned how to manage my time.
Time management is very important.
Yes, because sometimes there are many tasks to complete before the end of the day.
In those situations, I tried to prioritize my work.
That means deciding which task is the most important.
Exactly. It helps reduce stress and improve productivity.
Another thing I learned in my first job was teamwork.
Teamwork is essential in almost every workplace.
Yes, sometimes I helped my coworkers when they were busy.
And sometimes they helped you too, right?
Of course, supporting each other makes the workplace more positive.
I completely agree. At the end of the workday, what did you usually do?
Before leaving the office, I reviewed my completed tasks and prepared my schedule for the next day.
That's a good way to stay organized.
Yes, and it helped me start the next day more smoothly.
Looking back, how do you feel about your first job experience?
I feel grateful for it. Even though it was challenging at times, it taught me many valuable lessons.
I feel the same way. My first job helped me understand workplace culture and professional communication.
And it also helped us become more confident.
Exactly. For beginners, the first job is not only about earning money, but also about learning and growing.
That's a great point.
If you are starting your first job soon, don't worry if you feel nervous.
Yes, that feeling is completely normal.
Be open to learning, ask questions, and try your best.
And remember that every professional started with their first job.
That's right. Thank you everyone for listening to today's conversation about first job experiences and daily workplace tasks.
We hope this dialogue helps you learn useful English vocabulary for the workplace.
See you in our next episode.
Goodbye, everyone, and keep practicing English.